Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Summer brings lots of fruits like apricots, plums and peaches, and while they are here, I wanna enjoy plum jam. So let's get into it. I'll start by chopping and de-seeding our plums. Here I have 1 cup of chopped plums. I'll transfer it to a non-stick pot. And I'll turn on the flame. Into this goes in 1 cup sugar. Wow, it looks nice already, but it smells even better. Isn't it amazing this is the natural color of plum jam? Our jam is almost ready. I have tasted it. It is delicious. But just to enhance the flavor, I'll add in cinnamon. And now I'll switch off the flame. I'll take a drop of jam and I'll wait 10 seconds. See, it is not running. This means it's ready. Now it's time for the most difficult part. Wait for it to cool before I can have it. Now I'll let this cool before I transfer it to a sterilized glass jar. Let's give it a try. This is delicious. Do give it a try. Don't miss out on making this seasonal jam. While you make this amazing homemade jam, I'm off making homemade bread. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.